Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are doing this very beautiful, sultry, glamorous smoky eye look. Now I know that smoky eyes can be a bit intimidating, but trust me, this one is so easy and quick to do because I have broken down the steps for you and made it so easy for you to recreate this look. Now I have paired this look here with a nude lip color, but if you want to up the glamour quotient of this look, then definitely go in for a brighter color because this look is so versatile and so wearable that you can wear it in the evening for a dinner date and also for a wedding. Guys, remember I post every Tuesdays and Saturdays and there's some amazing beauty and fashion content coming up. So if you don't want to miss it, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, like and share this video as much as you can. And without taking too much of time, let's dive right into the video. Guys, firstly, please excuse the lighting since I'm shooting in natural light. The light keeps shifting and hence my face is looking too pale. So my face is clean. I will go ahead and apply my all-time favorite Clinique moisturizer all over my face. Now I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer and I will apply this primer all over my face. Now since the eyes are heavy in this look and we are going to be using a lot of black, I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer because this is a very high coverage concealer. I'm going to apply this concealer all over my eyelids and under my eyes as well. Once the concealer is well blended, I will go ahead and set it in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder. I will now go in and fill in my brows. I like to use the L'Oreal Brow Kit along with the Real Techniques Brow Brush to fill my brows. Guys, zooming you in a little so that you can see all the steps clearly on eyeshadow application. Firstly, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is a long-lasting eyeshadow base and especially love it under dark eyeshadows. After this, I will take a scotch tape and stick it on the end of my eyes to create a very clean cat eye look. First, going in with the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette and taking the lightest color in the palette called Foxy and blending it on my brow bone. I'm using the brush that comes with this palette. Taking my fluffy deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques and picking the color Tease from the Naked 2 palette and blending it on top of my crease as a transition color. Quick tip on eyeshadow blending, always use swiping or circular motions for blending all your eyeshadows for a well blended look. Going in with the Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette and picking up the matte brown shade and blending that in my crease with the same fluffy brush. Note how I'm holding my brush from the end, that way you apply very minimum pressure on the crease. Remember, we don't want to press the brush too hard to avoid any harsh lines. Picking up the darker matte brown in the same palette and blending that in my crease with the same brush since I want the crease to have more depth. Taking my Color Bar Kohl pencil and putting that roughly until the mid of my crease and blending it out with a fluffy brush. Bear in mind that always use black very sparingly. You should always put less and then you can always build it up more. Going in with the darkest color called Blackout in my Naked 2 palette and blending that on top of my kohl and gradually building up the black color. Remember not to go too much towards your inner corner and mainly building the eyeshadow on the outer corner and outer eyelid. my Makeup Revolution palette and picking up this very glittery gold color and placing this with the help of a flat brush in my inner corner. I'll go ahead and finish up my other eye. Now using the same color bar kohl and tight lining my upper lash line, and then add same kohl to the lower lash line and blend it out with a pencil brush. With the same brush, I will pick up Blackout eyeshadow from Naked 2 palette and build the color on the lower lash line to give a smoky effect. Taking my Deborah matte liquid eyeliner to make a winged liner, you can use any gel or liquid eyeliner that you like. Now if you must have noticed, I have removed the scotch tape, but if you are a beginner, I suggest don't remove the tape just yet. That will help you get a very precise wing for your eyeliner. Remove the tape once you're satisfied with the wing. With the help of an eyelash curler, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and add some mascara. Here I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Sensational Mascara. Now since I'm a bit tanned right now, my foundation colors are a bit off, so I mix these two foundations, the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. It gave me a pretty perfect color, not true to my skin color but actually quite close to it. I will now highlight my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I will put it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, a bit on my forehead and a bit on my chin and blend it out well. Once this is done, I'm going to set the entire face with the Laura Mercier loose powder. Here I'm using the Maybelline powder brush to set my face. Watching my videos, you would know by now that I love bronzing my face, and I think it brings a very beautiful warmth to the face. For this look, I'm using the Sleek palette to contour my face first. This palette has 3 shades, a beautiful bronzing color, a beautiful contouring color and a highlight. All 3 colors are stunning for Indian skin tone. They work really beautifully well on me. So once I've contoured my face with a Real Techniques face brush, I'm going to use the same brush to bronze my face as well. For blush today, I'm using my Estee Lauder blush palette. I'm using these 2 colors, Pink Kiss and Radiant Peach. You can figure out how much I love both these blush colors because I've hit the pan already. These colors are absolutely stunning and I've loved them so much. Time for my most favorite makeup product. You guessed it right, it's a highlighter. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Rose Gold, and I will apply this on the high points of my face. This color is so stunning that I think it will suit all Indian skin tones, and it looked absolutely gorgeous with this look. I recently bought this highlighter and I can't stop using it. this, I decided to go nude. Well, no surprises there. I'm using the Sephora lip stain in the number 13. Now for the last step, going ahead and using my MAC Prep and Prime to set my face. This setting spray has been my favorite ever since. I've used some of the drugstore ones and the other high-end ones, but I've always repurchased this. Not just because it helps your makeup stay in place, but I feel it gives a very beautiful dewy finish to the face. Even when I'm not using makeup and just leaving my face bare, I like to spritz it all over my face just to get that little sheen on your face. So guys, this is it. I hope you liked this video and do try this look out. It's super easy and beautiful, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment box below. Until I see you next, stay healthy, stay beautiful. Love you all. Bye bye.